The 1.5 m insertion probe is used to measure the airflow with the Leister temperature measuring device. This makes it possible to measure the preheating air in extrusion welding equipment. For a precise measurement, the probe must be held 5 m into the preheating nozzle. Plug a 3 m piercing probe into the Leister temperature measuring device and turn it on. To obtain a precise temperature measurement, the piercing probe is pierced about 10 m into the extrudate.